Hey there, it's Nathalie, and I want to do an unboxing for this TruBind. We got this from Amazon. It's a coil binding machine, like an at-home binding machine. So I started taking it apart and I thought, no, let me just kind of show you. So we'll just go through this, see what it looks like. And you probably don't need to see all of this stuff, but it is an unboxing. So let me turn this around this way, lay this flat, reach in here and pull these two little styrofoam thingies out. And ta-da, we might need these instructions, this operation guide. Maybe. We'll see. We'll give the cat the box. She'll probably like that. Alright, got the plastic off. Now I'm going to take the styrofoam off. This has a 12-page, a tripod, 12-page capacity. So the little books that we're going to be putting together is 70 pages, so it'll take a couple of times of, punching to do that. So there's nothing inside of that, so that's trash. There's a handle. Get rid of this plastic. And we have some gadgets here. That and this. Take the plastic off of the cord so we'll get the power connected and put the handle on. Let me see. And there's this. So this is pretty humorous because the operation guide doesn't say anything about how to put the handle on. And I might need to watch a YouTube video about how to do that, but maybe not. This little gadget right in here, this is square, and this is square inside of here. So I'm going to unscrew that. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So we're going to screw that to the left, unscrew it to the left, and hope the machine doesn't fall apart because of that. And then I'm thinking from the pictures that it needs to be up like that. And then reattach that. Alright. So then to punch the paper, the lever comes down to punch the paper. And there is a paper tray to catch all the little punch outs right here. So you want to clean that out pretty often from the research that I've done. That has a fuse on there at the back. I'm not for sure about that. There's also where it plugs in is at the back. So I'm going to go ahead and get my cord ready and plug that in. Let's look at these other pieces first and see if this is something I really... Oh, this is the little pliers for clipping the coils after you put them in. And so these two things, I'm not sure about those yet. I think these might be like paper guides, because there's not an instruction about this. There is a little picture. And so let me turn this around so you can see this. This is the only other two little hoodises, but there's a little thing right there. It only goes in one way, so you can't put it in the wrong way. And that, I don't know about that. I've just been all back through the all of my boxes and packing material and plastic bags, and this little thing that has this, there is no nut, nothing to secure it. There's nothing in here for it to secure to. It will not tighten down. Doesn't matter how I screw it. So I'm off to the hardware store. Alright, went to the lumber yard, got a nut for that, wing nut, didn't have one, got a hex nut. There's nothing for it to attach to. There's nothing for it to secure because this sticks down below that. Anyway, so I guess it's just like, whatever. Anyway, so I folded up 4 pieces of paper here. I'll just move that out of the way. I'm going to go to this where it says letter size, And I'm going to go to that longest line, slide that in, make sure it's lined up, touch that down, and there we go. That gives me a little space on that end. I think that must be what that adjustment is about. I'm off here, but this is just like a piece of paper that I just cut to see about my thicknesses. So that's 4 sheets. This is 4 sheets of paper. Put it at the letter guide on this side, and it lined up there. So I've got the right size gap here and here. Okay, I have got it plugged in. There's my power button. I think that this is what I'm supposed to do. Like I said, the instructions that come with the package is, So I'll get a couple of them started. And then I'm going to lay this and I'm not for sure whether I'm supposed to, there we go. So then when I get to the end, turn it off, I can run it through a couple of more times, and I think that's the reason that they gave me that crimping tool, and I can cut off and bend in the end of that, and there we go. That's just like 4 little pages. I got these for 70 pages. So I want to uncoil this. Get that on up there. There we go. Well, the instructions do not have anything about what to do after you have the coil inserted. So I went and pulled one of my cookbooks that I did. I had our print shop do, and it had a coil. And so I can see that right here at the top, they have clipped it and bent it in, and at the bottom the same way. So that's what I'm going to do. The pliers have a red dot on the top of them, or on them, so the red dot needs to go up. I'm at the end of this, right here, so I'm going to push that in, and that's going to bend it toward the inside. And then to do the other side, I'm going to flip this over, and let's see if I can do this right. That clipped it off and bent it in. Did just a tiny bit more in. There we go. And that finishes that. So there's a little unboxing on the TruBind coil binder. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped. If you like this video, give me a little thumbs up and subscribe and share me with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.